Trigonometry is not about triangles. And SOHCAHTOA is one of the worst things you can learn to damage your trigonometric understanding. Let me show you what trigonometry actually is. This is the unit circle with the equation x squared plus y squared equals 1. And this point, which is inclined at theta degrees, measured anti-clockwise from the positive x-axis, is defined to have coordinates cos theta, sine theta. That is a definition of sine and cos in the syllabus. And if you look at this quadrant, you can actually draw a right angled triangle. This is where triangles come from. And since its radius is 1, if this y coordinate is sine theta, then this length is sine theta, this length is cos theta in the first quadrant only. And you can see sine theta is this length over 1. That's why we say opposite over hypotenuse. And adjacent, which is cos, over 1 is adjacent, ka. That's what it is. And tangent is the same thing. And tangent is actually the gradient of this line, which is why tan 45 degrees is 1. So SOHCAHTOA comes from this, not the other way around. And to prove that sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1, well, it's very obvious, because cosine theta sine theta lies on the circle which has this equation. So sine squared plus cos squared equals 1 is obvious. And look, I get it. SOHCAHTOA is a catchy mnemonic that rolls off the tongue and gets you through year 9. But I'm encouraging you to grow out of it as soon as possible if you truly want to understand trigonometry. So if you want to learn the actual concepts behind the math taught at school, then follow my page to see more things like this.